Alright, hey guys, I'm gonna install this Perrin air filter that I got. Should be pretty easy, there's no tools. Cold and wet. But yeah, here's the air box. A couple of clips. I'm gonna move this over so I can get a better view. Adjust the tripod a tiny bit. We'll go with that. I think that works. All right. So here's the old one. It's really not that old. It's that HKS. I thought it was cleanable and reusable, but apparently not, which kind of sucks because it was like 40 bucks. Here's the Perrin one. It was also like 41 bucks. I got it off eBay. So this one you should be able to take out, clean, oil up, like some K&N oil or some other brand, something like that. But yeah, so it goes in this way with this part inside facing this way, so it filters. From my understanding, it's going to be a tiny bit snug, which is fine. Rather have it be snug than some weird loose thing flopping around in there. And it is pre-oil, like that oil on it. Alright, I guess that works, right? Pop that. So I got it squished in there, up against it. My little intake thing popped off. That's alright though. Just get a screwdriver a little bit and fix it. These clips in here. On a certain line and click in from here. I think that's it. There we go. You can see all the oil and everything. That's pretty dang easy, you know. You just gotta get a screwdriver and fix this because it is definitely not clamped where it's supposed to be. It might be easier if you remove this to fix it, but whatever you choose to do. But yeah, that was it. I don't expect any like horsepower gains or anything like that. But it's just easier than replacing a filter every time I need to. But yeah, it's pretty easy. The engine bay, really basic. Thanks for watching my video. Comment, like, subscribe, whatever. Thanks.